Dot. Basta stay front ka lang. Ah.
Third quarter. Here is Sean with the inbound. Stanley with the inbound. Up the inbound, Sean. Tightly guarded by Dima Felix. Entry pass. Here is Vince. Kontra kay Gandula. Vince. Backing pedal. Vince is spinning. Up. Under. And he's blocked by Gandula. And another block by Sarah. There is a whistle. Foul number 0, Vince Baloga. Second personal team foul number 1 by the visiting team of Phenomenal. Sideline throwing. Up the inbound, Dima Felix. 11 points lead by the visiting team of Phenomenal. Dima Felix in dropping. With 2 guys in front of him. Dima Felix in trouble, asking for help. Checks into the goal of the Magalindong. Heads up with Coach Rene. Pull down. Here is Xiang, lost the ball. Out of bounds. End line throw in. Gandula with the inbound. Up the inbound. Here is Magalindong. Signaling for the play. Tightly guarded by Xiang. Magalindong pick up his dribble. Bigyan bola sa poste kay Villano. 10 on the shot clock. There is a whistle. Foul down play. Kiskisan sa ilalim yung Villena. And he's fouled by number 0, Vince Baloga. Third personal by number 0, Vince Baloga. Team foul number 2 by the visiting team of Phenomenal. Gandula with the inbound. Up the inbound, Sarah. Ball is stolen. Here is Stanley. And the voluntary step on the break. Bigyan bola para kay Sean. Tightly guarded by Dima Felix. Sean trying to make a move. In traffic. Nowhere to go. Shot clock down to 10. Shot clock is winding down. 5 seconds to shoot. Sean escaping his defender. Nahanap sa ilalim. Miko Pipito. Alternate. Akyat sa 13 puntos sa kabante ng halay ng visiting team. Mavs Phenomenal. Here is Magalindong. Magalindong in trouble. Bigyan bola para kay Dima Felix. Lost the ball. Substitution. Chao Sordonia moving in. For number 0, Vince Baloga. Sideline throwing. Up the inbound shot Ilan. Up against Dima Felix. Bigyan bola para kay Padulyon. And swing it over. Sends it to the corner. Sean, shot fires. Just misses. And look at Gandula with the big rebound. 2 minutes gone by. Pivotal quarter number 3. Stepping on the break. Here is Gandula. Hand up to Dima Felix. Being hounded by Coach Rene. Shot clock at 10. Long jumper from the outside. Back iron. Tapi ka ng bola. Makukuha ng mga taga-Mavs Phenomenal. Sean nagpapatalik. There is a whistle. Foul number 24, Villena, third personal. Team foul number 1, Balayan, RLM. Substitution. Number 7, Manzanilla for number 24, Villena. 49-36, 13 points ball game. Here is Pipita with the inbound. Up the inbound, Padulyon. Padulyon trying to make a move, sends it to the corner. Back iron, battle for the rebound. And secured the ladder by Sarah. Outlet pass to Gandula, ball is stolen. Get the steal by Padulyon. Shot clock is winding down. Bounces off. And there is a whistle. Good backs out by Gandula. 13 points ball game. Here is Magalindong, sets it to the corner. Sarah, shot bars, doesn't work. The ball ends up to the hands of Pipito. Bigyan bola para kay Sean Elon. Here is Padulyan on the right wing. He launches from way down. Now, keep the ball alive by Magalindong. Makukuha ni Serra. Serra spinning. Accelerating. Magic in the air, and there is a whistle. That is an offensive foul of number 06, Serra. First personal. Team foul number 2, Balayan RLM. And right there, here is Sean with eyeball defense by Serra. Shot fires. No. Battle for the rebound. Tapi ka ng bola. Makukuha ni Magalindong. Magalindong nagmamadali with one guy to it. Fake pass. Laglag sa ilalim kay Gatdula. Tapping the ball. And ball is stolen. Right there is number 71. Stanley lost the ball. It's a turnover. And light throwing, Magalindong with the inbound. Being the ball carrier this time is Tim Felix. Balik ang bola para kay Magalindong in across the timeline. Tight to get by Sean. Ball is stolen. Here is Sean with one guy to beat. Bibigay mo pa rito kay number 71, Stanley Jugado. Time out by the home team. Balayan RLM.
Ito na lang para di kayo malito. Spacing kayo siya para di ka mapagod. Kakadribble. Ganyan no, spacing. Pasa-pasa nyo muna. Pasa-pasa nyo muna. Pasa-pasa nyo. Hanggang ito si Jamos sa gitna lang. Hanggang sa may, kung malilibre si Jamos dito. Tira mo lang. Tira, diskarte. Para di ka mapagod. Ha? Pasa-pasa nyo lang. Ganyan-ganyan lang oh. Okay? Yun lang. Tapos sa depensa, baba lang.
Sa pagpasa nyo, kung kanino malibre.
Jamos, habulin mo kung saan yung bola. Kunwari, dito.
6 minutes and 13 back to the ball game. 51-36. Sa right there, Vidal. Up against Uncle Joey. Gatdula will over the screen. Vidal pick up his dribble. And swing it over to Manzanillo. Cuts and shot great. And there is a whistle. He's fouled by number 4, Sean Elon. Number 7, Manzanillo will set to the line, shooting 3 free throws. He takes the first free throw. Second drive. To be the last shot, Manzanillo. 3 out of 3. He's steady at the line. 51-39. 12 points lead by the visiting team. Stanley up to Uncle Joey. Bigyan bola para kay Sean. Shot clock at 10. Ball is stolen. Get the steal by Manzanillo. Outlet pass. And a counter steal by Sean. Sean nagmamadali. Sends it to the corner. Up. Under. Basket is good. And 12. Foul on number 7. Manzanillo. At the free throw line, Stanley Jugado, shooting bonus. Five minutes and 35 seconds. A perfect 3 points by Stanley. 54-39. Here is Vidal. Vidal is spinning and ball stolen. Tatakbo ang hari ng mga taga-Bob's Phenomenal. Stanley lilipad. In and out. Put back by number 6. Ayaw. Bakbakan para sa ribag. Hindi na mapupunta. Makukuha ni Gatdula. Ito na yung atake. Ito yung ng home team. Padilla is blocked. Hindi po pwede yan, sabi ni Pico Pipito. Return to sender. 5 minutes and 10. Gatdula with the inbound. Ball is stolen. Get the steal by Sean. Sean pulled down. Outlet pass to Uncle Joey. And he's blocked by Malindong. Midway of the third quarter. Shot by, kicks out. Stanley. Shot fires. And good backside by Malindong. Defensive rebound. Malindong pulled down. Bigyan bola para kay Manzanilla. Elbow jumper way off. And the ball ends up to the hands of Stanley. Gets the rebound. Ball is intercepted. Vidal finding Padilla. 54 to 41. And look at that connection between Vidal and Padilla. Uncle Joey at the left wing. Kontra kay Vidal. Goes baseline. Entry pass. And another intercepted. Here is Malindong. Nagmamadali. 3 against 2. Padilla bibigay kay Manzanilla sa kanto. 54 to 44. 4 na minuto. Here is Stanley. Ila try to answer back. Bounces off. Pagkakataon at chance muli ngayon dito ng home team. Get the steal. Here is Sean. Lilipad. Stanley to the rescue. And look at that athleticism by Sean Ilhak. On the other end, kicks out. Here is Manzanilla. He launches from way down, in and out. Balik ang bola para kay Manzanilla. No! Another offensive rebound. Shot clock is winding down. Substitution. Coach Mapp moving in. 3 minutes and 17. 56-44. Uncle Joey with the inbound. Five to by Hernandez. Uncle Joey. Artanya will over the screen. Bigay sa ilalim. Pipito is blocked. 3 minutes. Hernandez nagmamadali. Moving down the outpost. Goes all the way. 56 to 46. Uncle Joey setting things out. 10 on the shot clock. A little bit of passing. Ball is deflected. Ball will stay with the visiting team. 6 seconds on the shot clock. Timeout by the visiting team. Mobs Phenomenal.
Ito lang option. Pag wala, ilabas mo lang dito. Tapos,
6 seconds tayo.
tapos tira tayo.
Let us now resume the ball game. 2 minutes and 34 seconds. 56-46. 6 seconds to shoot by the visiting team. Mobs Phenomenal. And blind throwing. Sean with the inbound. Up the inbound Pipito. 5 seconds to shoot. Nico, entry pass. Ball is stolen. And get the steal. Castillo Cabana. Chasing by Ortaño. Goes all the way. And the lead is cut down to single digit. 56 to 48. Across the timeline, Sean. Bigyan bola para kay Coach Mabs. Shot clock down to 10. Shot clock is winding down. 5 seconds to shoot. Shot fires. Doesn't work. It's a turnover with less than a minute substitution. Stanley Jukado moving in for Sean Ilhak. Up the inbound Vidal, a minute and 50. And they swing it over to Hernandez at the left wing. Here is Castillo. See some opening at the middle. And he's blocked. Shot clock down to 10. Shot clock is winding down. 5 seconds to shoot. Almost. Tip and play. Right place at the right time is number 51, Gandula. 56 to 50. Don't let down. Shot clock at 10. Coach Mob, shot fake. Shot fires. And look at Stanley to the rescue. 58-50. Isang minuto. 55 seconds. Shot clock at 10. That is a foul on number 2, Vidal. Dalawa. 49.1 seconds. Up the inbound anchor to Joey. 40 seconds. Stanley goes baseline. Almost. Tip in place. Still nothing. It's a turnover. 35 seconds. Nakikisuyo po ng medical team. Calling the attention of the medical team. Seconds.
Stanley goes baseline. Almost. Tip in place. Still nothing. It's a turnover.
35 seconds.
Galaw mo nga yung kamay mo. Likod. Kabila. Okay. Paa mo, dalawa. Galaw mo nga. Masakit? Hindi maano? Hindi magalaw? Nurse, spine na, likod niya. Baka may ano tayo? Chair. Likod ko kasi pumalak. Tapos nangalansayin siya para agad sa mo. Scope! Isili mo nga, Alex. Ito na. Ramdam mo to? Ito. Masakit.
Kapag ilalagay sa scoop, ititihaya din po natin para po mailagay sa scoop. Madali na naman po sa scoop, pero ititihaya pa rin natin.
Ano po gagawin natin?
Hintayin
Hintayin
lang
po natin o may... Kaya po kami, sir. Ilan lang po natin. Saan ititihaya ka ha? Tan, biret. Brother, biret. Ito pa.
Para mabigyan ng hangin. Huwag yung pagkulumutan at hindi ariyan na.
Nagagalaw mo kamay mo. Ito kaya mo ito. Ano nang kayong...
Ano naman sa iyo ito tayo? Paywang.
Nagagalaw mo ng sapatos. Bilang mo nga pa ito. Bilang mo nga. Pagano, pagano. Yan, kung kabila. Kabila. Gagalaw ko po.
Gagalaw niya.
Ito lang talaga yung masakit. Itong ano, wala. Tatahiya ka namin. Pag sumakit, tiisin na lang muna.
Siya lalay.
Ito, hindi masakit to, hindi masakit to.
Out, ang braso. Hindi, ula.
Ang ulo.
Sige. Out, ang bala sa ula. Sige, yay. Oh, yung dandaan na suka. Sige. Tesla. Tesla, out. Ulo. Tayo, bala sa ula. Bala sa ula. Sige.
team. Maraming salamat po.
May masakit pa rin sa doon, ha?
Metro Malayan, Western.
Wala may makasama dito. Sino makasama dito? Ay, Coach yan.
Labas pa yung stretcher, nakalabas. Stretcher, nakalabas.
Hindi, paano naman?
Wala ang DC.
Bili naman, chicken mo.
Wala ang DC.
Chicken mo pala ito. Kaya na, sa pala ito.
Sino nga ba?
Saan ba? Hindi na sa kanya. Kaya.
Sige, pagpahingay muna natin sa sakyan. Kasi dito lang.
Si Ben?
Ayaw mo din na sir, ayaw mo din. Doon na lang, buhatin na lang muna natin doon sa ano.
Hindi mo natin kumakaupo sa... Sir, si Ma'am Lani po yung sa sa...
May pang-explain dito kasi kutsi. Yun na lang sa ano, para mapagawa namin ng treatment dun sa ano sa sakyan. Kasi pag doon hindi lang. Ambulans na lang, ambulans.
Sakyan na lang, sakyan na lang.
Saka natin subukan pag-race ko.
Sige po.
Sige.
Sabi na sa ambulansya, stand. Baluwag ka na ka, baluwag ka na ka, baluwag.
One, two.
Pamalit ni Stanley.
Ilan? Pamalit sa gamit.
Huling quarter, Lord. And may plano to, Lord. Hindi lang para sa kagustuhan namin, Lord, pero para may angat ang maayos.
Yes, Lord.
Lord, bigyan po kami ng kalakasan, ng talino, at pagod na ang bawat isa, Lord. Pero ikaw ang nagpadala sa amin dito, Lord, and you will sustain us at the end of the game, Lord. Maraming salamat po, Lord. At sa lahat ng papuri, Lord, kayo magpapagaling kay Stanley, Lord. Kayo
Yes,
magpapagaling
Lord.
Lord. In Jesus' name, amen.
One, two, three! Praising is the name of God, Jesus!
Okay, let us now resume the ball game. 35 seconds. Third quarter. Ball possession by the home team. Malayan RLM.
Nasa kanila.
And line throw-in. 8 points ball game. Here is Capdola with the inbound. Half the inbound Castillo. 30 seconds. 25 seconds. Shot clock at 10. Castillo inside, doesn't work. Gets it back, still nothing. Yes, sir. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. 58 to 52 at the end of the third quarter. 6 points lead by the visiting team, Mavs Phenomenal.
Ganun pa rin. Hindi naman nagbabago depensa nila eh. Ganun pa rin. So,
Pero pinagkaiba na dito na si Vince.
si Vince. Si Vince na dyan.
Huwag ka magdalawang isip, huwag yung napasahan kayo.
Pataki mo!
Pag may isa yung kayo patakin para gulat. Kasi pag walang gulat, naka-ready.
Tsaka,
This is it!
Talo tayo sa
This is
depensa.
the
Kailangan
start
natin
of the
bumaba.
fourth quarter!
Priority, depensa.
Final stretch!
Go, go, go.
Dito na magkakaalaman ito. Alternating possession arrow by the home team. Malayan RLM. Here is Gatdula with the inbound. Up the inbound Castilla up against Shan. Tapping the ball. Ball will stay with the home team. Sideline throwing. Gatdula with the inbound. Up the inbound Vidal. Survey the floor. Vidal trying to make a move. Monsanilla shot fires. Back iron. And look at Padulyan with the big rebound. Bigyan bola para kay Coach Mel. And Gatdal shot nila. Tight to by Hernandez. There is a whistle. Foul number 19 Hernandez. Second personal team foul number 1 by the home team. Up the inbound Padulyan. Up against Castillo. Shot clock at 10. And drops it up. Coach Mab, shot fires. 61-52. Here is Vidal. Vidal di Discarte. Try to answer back. Just misses. Castillo will recycle the offense with shot clock winding down. Gatdula, 5 seconds to shoot. Shot clock continues winding down. Vidal gets away. 61-54. Here is Shan with the basketball. Kontra kay Hernandez. Shan trying to make a move. Vince will over the screen. No! And offensive rebound, Vince Balonga. Shot fake. Underneath and an hour to go. Kicks out. Pastor Alcar. No! Tabi ka na po naman kukuha naman ng Brian RLM. Vidal lilipad. 61-55. Okay, sa Gatdal. 61-56. Here is Shanila. 10 on the shot clock. Coach Mab. Shot clock is winding down. 5 seconds to shoot. Tapping the ball. Ball is intercepted. Hernandez accelerating. Goes all the way. Time out by the visiting team. Mavs Phenomenon.
Shan, pwede ka mapagod. I-release mo yung bola. I-release mo yung bola. Kasi tumatagal sa'yo yung bola. I-release mo, paigutin yan. Oo, pakita kayo.
Bigyan mo kagad feedback na hirapan
Oo nga. Pakita, i-release nyo yung bola. Kailangan umikot yung bola. Gamit tayo foul. Pwede kayo gumamit ng foul para may stop lang yung pass break. Pagka hindi naaabutin.
4 out pa rin tayo.
4 out lang, 4 out lang. Go, go.
Wala patience pa nga. Wala nang pasa talo na.
Mick, pag libre, tira. Pagpiyansa. Mas baba lang.
Let us now resume the ball game. 8 minutes and 2. This is a long way to go. 3 points ball game. Here is Shan. Across the timeline, up against Hernandez. Vince will over the screen. Shan trying to make a move. Here is Padulyan on the left wing. 10 on the shot clock. Shan escaping his defender on his way up. What a pretty move by Shan Hiran. Adjusting in the middle. 63-58. Vidal bigyan bola para kay Castillo. Kontra kay Padulyan. Shot clock at 10. And right there, Vidal. 5 seconds to shoot. Hernandez back iron. Try to keep the ball alive, Vidal. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Here is Gatdula. Monsanilla bounces up. And the ball ends up to dance up Padulyan. 63-58. Here is Shan. Looking around. Bietz will over the screen. Coach Map at the right wing. Kontra kay Monsanilla. With shot clock winding down. Ball is stolen. Castillo all alone. 63-60. Shot with eyeball to eyeball defense by Hernandez. Hits from over the screen. That is an offensive foul. Illegal screening on number 0, Vince Maluca. Vince Maluca warning for foul down. Up the inbound Hernandez. There is a whistle. Players requested, please proceed in front of their respective benches. Players requested, please proceed in front of their respective benches. It's a regular foul on number 7, Coach Mab. So that's the good sign. Nagbabalik si Stanley Ducado para sa Mavs Phenomenal. In Jesus' name. At the free throw line, Hernandez shooting 2. First try in but out. Second to be the last Hernandez. It is Probles. Here we go. It is Coach now. Up against Hernandez. Bigyan bola para kay Shan. Directing traffic. 10 on the shot clock. Pipito bola for the screen. It's a holding foul. Foul on number 19, Hernandez. Third personal. Team foul number 2, Balayan RLM. 63-60. Here is Shan with the inbound. Up the inbound. Padulyon. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Shan may tangan ng bola. Pipito will over the screen. Here is Miko. Shot fake with shot clock winding down. Nakaapak na daw sa linya. It's a turnover. 4 na minuto lumilipas. Substitution. Uncle Joey moving in for Padulyon. Sideline throwing. Up the inbound. Vidal. With less than 6 minutes to go. Here is Hernandez signaling for the play. Bigyan bola para kay Gatdula. Here is Jerome kontra kay Miko. Shot clock at 10. Keyhole jumper. And the ball lands up to the hands of Shan. Ilang pagbababa ng bola. Up against Hernandez. Sisling, Dasling using his quickness. And Samuel Pipito. 10 on the shot clock. There is a whistle. Foul away from the ball, number 19 Hernandez. Holding foul, number 19 Hernandez warning for foul out. Sideline throwing, team foul number 3, Balayan RLM. Team foul warning for penalty, rather. Sa poste, Ben shot fake. It's a troubling violation. Here is Castillo. Castillo setting things up. Gattulo. Bigyan bola para kay Vidal. Vidal di diskarte. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul down play. Foul number 3, Uncle Joey. Substitution. So checking back in Stanley Ducado. Or number 7, Coach Mab. So that's the good sign of babalik sa aksyon si Stanley Ducado. 10 on the shot clock. Midway of the fourth quarter. Vidal shot fake. Yes, sir! 63 to 62. Don't look now! There is a whistle. Foul on number 11, Castillo, under penalty. At the free throw line, Stanley Jocado. Shooting 2. Substitution. Number 5, Dima Felix moving in. 4 minutes and 45 seconds na natitira. Stanley at the free throw line. He takes the first free throw. 64 to 62. Second to be the last by Stanley. Back iron. And gets his out miss. Stanley goes baseline. Nico open for Trey. And Manzanilla defensive rebound. Here is Dima Felix up against Stanley. Dima Felix trying to make a move. Bigyan bola para kay Gatdula. Kontra kay Beans. Gatdula on the top of the circle. Sends it to the corner with shot clock winding down. Manzanilla, the kicks out. Dima Felix, shot bars, doesn't work. And defensive rebound ends up with Stanley. Bigyan bola para kay Sean. Uncle Joey being the ball carrier this time. Nico will over the screen. Stop. Warning for taking a foul. Hernandez. Muscle his way up. Vince Simoloa with less than 4 minutes. Right there is Dima Felix kontra kay Stanley. Bigyan bola para kay Gatdula. Shot clock down to 10. Shot clock is winding down. 5 seconds to shoot. Loses control of the basketball. Ball is intercepted. Sean, bibigay papunta rito kay Stanley. And look at that connection. Time out by the home team. Balayan RLM.
So Stanley, Sean, dito lang kayo. Vince, shadow mo kung saan pupunta yung point guard. Okay, para pag-screen ni Miko, pag umatake si Uncle John, andun ka, pwede kang mapasahan rekta agad. Ha? Ha? Kel, diskarte mo yan kung hindi mo mapasa, balik mo lang kay Miko. Down screen, huwag nyo kalimutan. Down
Let us now resume the ball game. 3 minutes and 28 to go.
Ha? Hindi, wala. Diyan ka lang, diyan ka lang.
208 seconds to make.
Alalahanin nyo lang yung play. Alalahanin nyo lang yung play. Go, go.
Let's be the visiting teams. Mavs Phenomenal are the home team. Balayan RLM. Here we go. Here is Dima Felix up against Stanley. Dima Felix in trouble. Asking for help. Bigay bola para kay Manzanilla. 10 seconds to shoot. Shot clock is winding down. 5 seconds to shoot. Villana goes baseline. Shot play. And there is a whistle. He's fouled by number 4, Sean. Arm contact. Third personal. At the free throw line, Villana. Warning for penalty by the visiting team. Mavs Phenomenal. He takes the first free throw. Three minutes and 5. Two out of 2. 68-64. 3 minutes. Uncle Joey sa poste. Bench. Overpower. His defender gets it back. Head it out. Sayang yun. And right there, Makalindong. Tightly guarded by Stanley. Ball is stolen. Here is Sean. Clean the runway. Short on the layup. And right there, Dima Felix with the floater. 68 to 66. Don't look now. Second personal. 2 minutes and 14 to go. 2 minutes and 14. Up the inbound, Di Felix. 10 seconds to shoot. Gattulo spinning. It's a troubling violation. Almost twilight zone of the ball game. We are down the wire. And we are now entering the twilight zone of the ball game. Last 2 minutes. Stop it, way off. Letter on Di Felix. Finding Villena. It's a tied ball game. Uncle Joey bigay ball para kay Shen. Goes baseline jumper. 70 to 68. Kapit bayan ng Balayan. Walang bibitaw. Di Felix trying to make a move. Di Felix is spinning. And ball is deflected. Ganda still by Nico. A minute and 15. Here is shot up the right wing. He launches from way down. Time out. Cold-blooded three by Shaq Elad. Bullseye.
Pare, depensa lang tayo. Depensa tayo ha. All switch, ready kayo sa health side. Lagi nyo lang itatandaan yun. One stop lang tayo, one stop. Pag nakuha natin, paubos mo natin oras kay Sean. And then, si Nico, 3 down tayo. Ganun lang ulit. Ha?
Sandilak mo lang.
Para pag pinipressure ka, pakita kayo. Pag pinipressure siya, pakita kayo.
Let us now resume the ball game. A minute and 6. Ginamit na ng Balayan RLM ang kanilang kahuli-hulihang timeout. Sa paalala mo, especially sa depensa, we have a throw-in foul. Ibig sabihin, maaaring tumawag ng foul ang referee kahit ang bola ay hindi pa naibibigay sa inbounder or nasa referee pa ang bola. Vidal with the inbound. Up the inbound. Malindong. Entry pass to Manzanilla. Bigay sa ilalim. Villena! What a great execution! Wala na pong 1 minuto. Balayan RLM. Sumisigaw ng depensa. There is a whistle. Foul on number 15, mga Lindong, parehong nasa penalty. Sean Elad will send to the line, shooting 2. Hot shot, first try. 49.2 seconds. Second to Vidalas. $73.70. 45 seconds. Here is Gattulo, pick up his dribble. 40 seconds. Shot clock at 10. Mga Lindong, 5 seconds to shoot. And ball is stolen. 25 seconds. Great shot, Ella. 15 seconds. 10 on the shot clock. Starless slicing the defense. 5 seconds. And that's it. At the end of regulation, final score 73-70. Mavs Phenomenal.
Kaya Lord, ipakita mo kami sa bawat isa, most precious sa family na nagdala sa amin dito ngayon namin, Lord. Lord, sa pag-alis po namin, ingatan niyo po ang bawat isa. Inawa lahat ng share ng Word of God, Lord, sa game, Lord, sa mga tao, Lord, mga stick sa kanila, Lord. And lahat ng nagbukas ang puso at isip, Lord, malagi sa kanila, Lord. At maging totoo sa kanila sa salita. Thank you so much, Lord. Again, binabalik namin kayo. Pinakamataas sa papuri, pasasalamat at pagsamba.